Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So gold gradually is coming to the point that we have specified in the weekly report. It's 1590 is nearest target because this is ABCD pattern on the daily, and theoretically we should get kind of the godless triple to sell pattern on the daily chart. But still, as we have discussed in the weekly report as well, we have a lot of questions to this pattern. So actually situation stands really tricky because, well, situation with the virus spreading is not very common. Everything still stands it's really in a tight situation, tough situation with this. So market still stands very careful to any news that are published right now. Yesterday, this American market has taken the rest due to the President Day, and today is open with a gap up. Stocks has turned down a bit, and today we will take a look what has happened in this top. The tricky moment stands with some points that we have specified. First of all, the OP target of this godless triple to sell will be very close to this top, and this is a really big temptation, trying to take it out with the stops that have been placed here and just showing the upward continuation to the higher level. Second, with this price action, you can see some growing bullish dynamic pressure because take a look, market keeps the bearish trend while it is forming higher lows, and that indicates that could be some greater upward action. So that makes it difficult to take short position right at some level or a target, and we need some more confirmation from the market. That's why, depending on your trading style, you should either miss this opportunity and wait for another pattern to take more protected pattern, which is a butterfly, as we said in the weekly report, or if you still would like to trade it, intends to trade it, we need some more signs of the reversal at the point where this ABCD pattern will be completed. So take a look on the follow time frame chart. That's actually two possible scenarios. First is OP, and it's godless triple to sell if market will jump higher and above the stop. That's also could be the butterfly 1605 area. This pattern, butterfly, is more stable and is more reliable in terms of the possible selling. The one thing that we do not want to get is just really fast upward action right to the target. If market will continue the same speed of the upward action, well, that will be acceptable, and on the butterfly it should be some reaction, 30% maybe the market will retest its previous tops. So that is for conservative traders. It's a bit more stable, safer opportunity to sell. That is for more active traders because that's also could be the trading setup, and some bounce here is also is possible. That is what we will keep an eye on our chart. Take a look. Market is coming to the OP. Here, as you can see, that market right now stands in 1618 extension of this most recent leg. It's moving high. The one pattern that we could consider is probably the hand and shoulders. It's a reversal pattern that could confirm reversal on right at the OP target. Theoretically, of course, it is possible trying to take the short immediately right at the OP, but that will be kind of the gambling of this trade because, well, it's more risk. It's better point. It's better price for selling. Just you will sell right at OP, but it's greater risk of the failure because markets will be unstable as it will coiling around the previous top, and it will be, as I said, big temptation to show some wash and rinse spike, and how strong the spike will be, it depends on the amount of the orders that placed above this area. It makes tricky chance to take the short position right at the OP, although this is possible if you have opportunity to place relatively extended stop. Major scenarios suggest getting some pattern here. So for example, if we will get some pullback here with the minor retracement, and market will indeed starts to form the hand and shoulders, that will be relatively safe, trying to take the short position with a downward continuation right to the 30% support. It's around 1570 area. That's the reaction of the market that could follow. On the way down, that could be a lot of different opportunities. For example, if you drop your time frame, you could get minor head and shoulders maybe right at the top on the 5-minute chart that you could use also for shorting the market. Maybe on the 15-minute chart later some patterns will be formed. I am talking only on the hourly chart. What here we could consider. That in turn tells you if market will just break this top and will hold and stay above it, that definitely will tell you that no retracement will happen here and we should consider upward continuation right to the 1605. If something starts to form, market will start dropping here, trying to close the gap by the way that we have here, right, on the more open price. Well, that means that our daily pattern probably will work, because here is our daily pattern, as you can see, and at least 30% pullback we should get to the 1570. That's approximately what we'll keep an eye on today on the gold market.